Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand this solely to take your decision. Your work like will motivate me to be regular in working more hard for you. So let us start the day to analyze the movements of S&P 500 futures in a monthly time here. So here in the monthly time frame, here you can see that how the S&P 500 futures have been maintaining an uptrend since March 2009. So here you can see that how the S&P 500 futures started an uptrend after a sharp fall from the levels of 1590 when it tested a peak before the crash of 2008. And here you can see that how during this crash of 2008 S&P 500 futures tested a low here at the levels of 683 in February 2009, and since then the S&P 500 futures maintained an uptrend. And here you can see that how the S&P 500 futures started an uptrend and found stiff resistance at the levels of 2134 during the month of March 2015. And here you can see that how this level provided a stiff resistance constantly for many months to S&P 500 futures, when the S&P 500 futures once again continued this uptrend from November 2016, and this uptrend continued well up to the levels of 2879 what the S&P 500 futures tested in January 2018. But once again we have seen some sell-off from the levels of 2893 during the month of February 2018, and here you can see that how the S&P 500 futures could not sustain above the levels of 2879 when they once again started to move downward during the month of September 2018, when the tariff trade war tussle started between the US and the China, and the S&P 500 futures tested a low at the levels of 2328 during the month of December 2018, and from here the S&P 500 futures found a steep reversal back up to the levels of 2490, and once again this uptrend continued up to January 2020 when the first case of coronavirus was confirmed, and the S&P 500 futures witnessed a sharp selling from here, which continued during the month of February and March. And here you can see that how the S&P 500 futures tested a low on March 23rd at the levels of 2179. So here reversal was very strong during the month of March, and once again the S&P 500 futures continued this rally since April 2020, and here you can see that how this rally witnessed a sharp uptrend which is still continue. But here I find that after testing a high at the levels of 4242 during the month of May 2021, the S&P 500 futures look ready for a sharp downward move from here, because here you can see that how this uptrend has turned into a equity bubble. So here I find that this equity bubble looks ready to burst anytime, because this has been showing extraordinary move at a very decisive juncture when the Federal Reserve policymaker seems a bit confused, or they are deliberately sending mixed messages as pressure grows for them to do something in the face of increasing evidence that inflation is on the rise, and no one can be sure that this is a passing phenomena. So therefore, I find that the denting impact of growing coronavirus cases will continue to impact the economic growth, where I find that this bubble could burst very shortly, where I find that a breakdown of S&P 500 futures below the level of 3971 during the month of June will confirm a sharp sell-off from here, which may continue during the month of. So here I find that a sharp downward move from the current levels during the first half of this month, if the S&P 500 futures are not able to defend the immediate support at 3971, will see this balloon to burst very shortly, and I find that a sharp sell-off can be seen during the second half of this month, which may continue during the month of June and July, when the S&P futures look ready to test the next support at 3336. So friends, here I find that the S&P futures could find a sharp sell-off from here. So friends, here I find that this balloon has been stretched beyond a limit and it can burst anytime very shortly. So friends, here I find that anytime we will see a sharp downward move in the S&P futures very shortly. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.